forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run.
Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I will show you guys my home remedy for cough and flu, because my children have been coughing for 2 weeks now. They have even done a COVID test which came back negative. The doctor said that their lung sounds are good. I asked for cough medicine prescription, but she recommended I do a home remedy because cough syrups are not the best thing to give to children. So here I am trying to make what I know best. So this is honey, this is lemon, and this is ginger. Then the equipment we need, or the kitchen tools we need, are just this: a mesh sieve mesh, mesh sieve, a spatula, knife, and a blender. You don't need to remove the skin the skin of this ginger, because we'll still sieve everything when we are done. So you can just use a sponge to wash it, to remove any dirt. You don't need to scrape the skin off. I'm going to use this fruit and vegetable wash to just clean the lemons. This lemon is not so fresh. Just peel this yellow part off, but make sure you leave this white part because it has lots of vitamins. This one is much easier to peel because it's still very fresh. Okay. Now let's cut it to make it easier to blend. I don't even bother taking out the seeds.
Please. Mommy.
Yes. Okay. Now we are going to add about 2 cups of water. Oh no.
Push me further, so I couldn't close inside. Oh, yes. No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all began.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you know anyone that is having cough, cold, anything, just prepare this. It works. It works like magic. So yes, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in our next video. Now this is the leftover after that I've taken those for this morning. I'm going to store this in the fridge. I'll give it to them morning and night. So each time I want to give it to them, I'll just bring it out, microwave it for a few seconds just to get it warm, then I give it to them. So yes, oh my goodness, thank God nothing happened. So yes, you can stay safe in the fridge for like 3 days and then you can make another batch.